Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Twitter account private. It's quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the Twitter app. If you want to make your account private, it means only people who you approve can see your tweets. To do that, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety, which you'll find midway down the page. Then, tap on Audience and Tagging at the top. Now, to make your account private, toggle on the Protect Your Tweets option. This ensures that only people who follow you can see your tweets, and you'll need to approve any new followers. Anyone currently following you will still have access to your tweets, but you can remove them as followers if you wish. That's it. By turning on Protect Your Tweets, your Twitter account will be private. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.